At the 2025 Agra Show in Ribeirão Preto, São Paulo, Brazil, one of the world's most influential agricultural technology expos, Chinese innovations stole the spotlight. Among hundreds of global exhibitors, DJI's agricultural drones ignited a purchasing frenzy, with over 30,000 units sold in just 5 days, a staggering figure that caught even industry veterans off guard. American farmers lined up, eager to place orders, highlighting how fast China's precision farming technology is transforming global agriculture. Thanks for joining us today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our deep dives into the biggest global tech and policy stories. The star of the show was DJI's T100, the company's most advanced agricultural drone to date. This machine isn't just a sprayer, it's a flying robot packed with AI, AR, and radar systems capable of navigating the most challenging environments with surgical precision. Capable of lifting up to 149.9 kilograms, the T100 supports a 75-liter spraying tank, a 150-liter spreading tank, and can carry payloads up to 85 kilograms, making it suitable for multiple agricultural tasks in one flight. Powered by a coaxial dual-rotor design and 62-inch carbon fiber blades, the T100 generates over 82 kilograms of thrust per rotor, allowing it to operate in turbulent conditions. The drone features advanced LiDAR and phased array radar systems, offering real-time 360-degree environmental awareness, while its AI-assisted obstacle avoidance can detect and classify power lines, treetop wires, and irregular terrain with pinpoint accuracy, thanks to a sensor system that processes 300,000 spatial data points per second. Cooling and battery efficiency are also areas where DJI excels. The T100 incorporates a 3-channel airflow cooling mechanism, ensuring operational stability even during extended flights. For DJI's T70 series, improvements in battery cell composition have increased energy density and reduced weight, enabling faster and easier battery swaps, facilitating continuous, back-to-back missions with minimal downtime. DJI's booth also showcased a wide range of next-gen agricultural tools, including electric 4-wheel all-terrain vehicles and modular charging trucks that can serve as mobile drone ports. All of these aim to simplify field operations while lowering costs, a winning combination that explains DJI's skyrocketing overseas sales. Backed by a service network of over 1,100 global repair centers, DJI has built a robust post-sale support system. According to the company, 98% of repair requests in 2024 were resolved within 6 hours, thanks to streamlined processes and localized inventory. The company has also partnered with financial institutions to offer drone purchase financing, making it easier for small and medium-scale farmers to adopt high-tech solutions. At the Expo, DJI also released an updated global agricultural drone industry white paper, outlining the latest trends in drone policy, regulatory frameworks, and use case studies across key agricultural economies. According to DJI's Brazil market manager, Coaxial, the report aims to equip local users with insights into safe, compliant operations, promoting the standardized deployment of UAVs in the region. Brazilian entrepreneur Barbosa, who runs a crop spraying business using DJI drones, praised the company's support team and plans to expand his drone fleet to reach more regions. They're reliable, cost-effective, and the technical backup is second to none, he noted. DJI's journey into agriculture began in 2012, when it shifted from consumer drones to applying its tech to food production. In 2015, DJI Agriculture was formally established. As of late 2024, DJI drones have operated on 38% of China's farmland, with adoption rates for staple crops like rice and wheat reaching 42%. The company reports a total of 2.5 billion mu, roughly 166 million hectares, treated by its drones, with 200,000 active units and nearly 500,000 people employed in drone-based agricultural services. According to DJI Global Agriculture lead Shen Xiaojun, that level of activity could generate an estimated 12.5 billion yen, US $1.7 billion, in economic value annually. Overseas, DJI's agricultural presence now spans over 100 countries and territories, with major markets including the United States, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand, Vietnam, and Japan. Since its global push began in 2017, DJI's international agricultural drone shipments have surged 32-fold, now representing 32% of its total sales. In Q1 2025, overseas shipments jumped another 45% year-over-year, with Latin America growing over 200% and Africa doubling, a testament to how DJI is reshaping agricultural efficiency worldwide. In the US, DJI drones are active in all 50 states, with focused expansion in 16 core agricultural regions such as Iowa, where all 50 counties are fully covered by DJI operations. Localized sales and service networks now include over 220 dealers, with Latin America seeing presence in 33 countries. This meteoric rise is not an isolated case. China now dominates the global UAV industry with unmatched scale. An estimated 80% of the world's drone motors, 65% of flight control systems, and 70% of lithium battery modules are manufactured by Chinese firms. The boom is driven by relentless investment in R&D. From 2023 to 2024, China filed over 70% of global UAV patents, according to the Civilian Drone Development Report. DJI's drones are equipped with AI-powered obstacle avoidance capable of detecting threats up to 300 meters away and responding in just 0.1 seconds. Elsewhere, Chinese aerospace startups are developing high-altitude reconnaissance UAVs with 10,000+ km range, further pushing the limits of drone applications. Critically, China controls its entire drone supply chain, from raw materials to final assembly, with over 90% localization for key components. Cities like Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Beijing form tightly integrated drone manufacturing hubs, making China's drone ecosystem 1.5 times more cost-efficient than Western counterparts. As Beijing accelerates global expansion, Washington is struggling to decouple. In early 2025, the U.S. Congress introduced the Drone Supply Chain Security Act, mandating federal agencies to stop using drones or components from China. However, the backlash has been intense. Kentucky law enforcement noted Chinese drones offer 4 times better value than domestic options. Mountain rescue teams warned that losing access would reduce emergency response efficiency by 60%. Ironically, even the Pentagon's drone replication programs, meant to create an indigenous fleet of 5,000 UAVs by 2026, have stalled due to reliance on Chinese components. Efforts to partner with Ukrainian suppliers revealed another dependency. Those companies also source heavily from China. Analysts say without Chinese imports, most U.S. drone assembly lines would grind to a halt. What we're witnessing is not just a clash of companies, but a larger contest between globalized interdependence and geopolitical protectionism. As China secures technological leadership through exports and supply chain control, it's also setting industry standards and pricing models. Looking ahead, drones are poised to become the next frontier of great power competition. By 2025, China's low-altitude economy, a term describing UAV-driven productivity in sectors like agriculture, logistics, and surveillance, is expected to exceed 1.5 trillion yen, over $200 billion US. Meanwhile, the US risks being left behind by its own isolationist policies. As strategic analyst Trent Eminick put it, this is no longer just a technological rivalry, it's a battle that may shape the next global balance of power.